Just like a pill.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Ella.
And today we will be doing
This natural everyday makeup look, but with a twist.
I will be doing her voiceover.
The voiceover.
The voiceover.
Gucci.
So first, I'm using some moisturiser just to get my face feeling shiny and smooth. Now I'm using Jasmine Spit to cover my spots. We're going to just smear that all over the face. And here we have some concealer. Dab on those haters. Go on. Okay, so now we're just going to cover under the eyes so we're going to look like an owl. We're going for that Egyptian pharaoh look. Now we're adding something to our nose and facial forehead area. Now I'm punching my face using a sponge and I am powdering on some powder. Now here we have some contour to add different dimensions to the face. As this is an everyday look, we are not going to go too far, but of course we want to show off that popping jawline and cheekbone. Here we are filling in some eyebrows, so we just want to, so I would prefer to use a nice thick whiteboard pen because I think it shows more, just darkness, but here I decided to use a simple pencil, which will do. And here we are using some highlight just to add the final glow and to just finish off the look with some finesse. Continue punching on that face and finally add some more highlight apparently. Thought we were done with that, but no, okay. Finally add some Vaseline to your lips and some Jasmine Spit and Sweat and you're done. Tell you what feels like. Feel right.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. I'm not the best at makeup.
Comment down below what you want to see next week. Like, subscribe.
And we'll see you on Wednesday.
Oh.
Oh.